Welcome to Storytime and Jake. I have a book for you. It's called Mr. Brown Can Move. Just a minute, and then turn the page. Oh, that's that. Mr. Brown can move. Can you? Oh, the wonderful sounds Mr. Brown can do. He can sound like a cow. He can go moo moo. He can sound like a bee. He can buzz. How about you? Can you go buzz 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 buzz? He can sound like a cork. Pop 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 pop. He can sound. He can sound like horse feet. Clop 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 clop. He can sound like a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. He can sound like an owl. Hoo hoo hoo. He can sound like the rain. Dibble 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 dop. Dibble 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 dop dop dop. He can sound like a clock. He can tick. He can talk. He can sound like a hand on the door. Knock knock. He can boom boom boom. Mr. Brown is a wonder. Boom boom boom. Mr. Brown makes thunder. Mr. Brown makes light. How about he makes lightning? Splat splat splat. And it's very, very hard to make a noise like that. Mr. Brown can whisper. Very soft, very high. Soft, soft whisper of a butterfly. Can you too? Let's turn the page and let's review. Moo moos, bzz, bzz, pop, pop, clop, clop, cock-a-doodle-doo.